Rockler's convertible benchtop router table is a groundbreaking portable router table that offers full-size features and unmatched versatility, including the ability to go directly from table routing to handheld routing without having to switch base plates. The key is the design of the base plate. It's rounded on one end to match the shape of your router base, and it's squared on the other, perfect for writing against straight-edge guides. Its two-piece design lets you position the handles of your router base for easy installation and removal. Two large screws secure the plate to the table, but also remove quickly for handheld applications. For even greater flexibility, two different base plates are available, one pre-drilled to fit most popular mid-size routers, and one pre-drilled for compact routers. They're sold separately, so you can get the right one for your router without having to buy something you don't need. The typical X configuration works great on a benchtop or tailgate. Non-slip pads on the feet help prevent them from shifting. The feet also have notches that make clamping to a work surface easy, and holes for more permanent mounting with screws or bolts in applications where that would be desired. What's more, the convertible benchtop router table performs like larger tables, with a standard miter slot to fit a miter gauge and jigs, a sturdy aluminum fence with included 2.5-inch dust port and bit guard, adjustable fence faces with T-slots for featherboards and jigs, and easy-to-grip knobs that make adjustments easy on your knuckles. The innovation doesn't stop there. The sturdy steel leg system and pivoting feet allow several setup and mounting configurations. If worktop space is tight, the router table can be mounted to wooden wall studs. The legs have pre-drilled mounting keyholes located 16 inches apart, the typical spacing for wall studs. Push-button locking pins secure the legs in position for stability and remove easily so the legs can fold down on the wall or fold up on the bench and be secured for compact storage or easy transport. They're even tethered to the legs so there's no chance of losing them. So if you're looking for a portable router table that saves you both time and space while offering extraordinary versatility, check out the Rockler convertible benchtop router table and base plates. Just go to your local Rockler retailer or rockler.com.